Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious beef and mushroom dish. First, let's prepare our beef. You'll want about 1.5 pounds of beef, cut into 1-inch pieces. Season it well with salt and pepper. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Sear the beef in batches until it's beautifully browned on all sides, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes per batch. Then, remove the beef and set it aside. Now, let's build those layers of flavor. In the same skillet, add 1 pound of sliced mushrooms. Sauté them over medium heat until they release their moisture, become tender, and achieve a lovely golden brown color, which takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, stir in 1 chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Cook these aromatics for another 2 to 3 minutes until they are fragrant and softened, creating a wonderful base for our sauce. It's time to create our rich, savory sauce. Pour 1 cup of beef broth into the pan, scraping up all those delicious brown bits from the bottom. This is called deglazing and adds immense flavor. Whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to help thicken the sauce, ensuring it's smooth and luscious. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce for an extra layer of umami and complexity. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Almost there, return the seared beef to the pan, nestling it into that wonderful sauce. Reduce the heat to low, cover the skillet, and let it simmer gently for about 15 to 20 minutes. This allows the beef to become incredibly tender and the flavors to meld beautifully. The sauce should also thicken to a perfect consistency. Before serving, garnish with some fresh chopped parsley for a touch of color and freshness. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.